So now let's see how we can work around with extrude option inside of Corel Draw. So in order to work around with the extrude effect, first of all, you need to go around and then have a particular shape. And then I'm going to go around and add in a color right here to the shape as well. So now I need to go around over here onto the effects area and then choose extrude. Once you do that, simply click and drag around on a spot right here, and you can see that this is what you have. You can go around, extrude the shape in different direction so that it seems as if it has a volume right here. If I were to go around onto the top, you can also change around the extrude direction, as you can see right here, just like this. You can go around and choose different shapes right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and extrude it out right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can see that you can go for extrude bevels right here as well and change around how this looks. So you can go around and utilize the bevel right here and change this around on how it looks as well. And change around the extrude option right here, just like this, as you can see. So these are different options. You can also just show the bevel only as well, and then work around and play around with these options. So this is the lighting that you have right here. So you can also go around and add in lighting right here and change around the direction of the lighting so that you have the different extrusion details, as you can see right here. You can have two lightings as well, just like this, and then change around the direction over here, just like this as well. Also add in a third lighting as well, and then you can change around the level of effect for the lighting right here, that is the intensity of the lighting, and this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can go around and then utilize the extrusion option and clear out the extrusion as well if you don't want it anymore. And that is how you can go around and work around with the extrusion option and change around the level of extrusion as well, just like this, according to how you want right here. And then choose the type of extrusion, just like this as well. So this is too much of an effect right here. So let's just go around over here, and then around over here, you can go around and pull it out. So let's just go around and then disable this out right here. And then I'm going to go around, disable out the bevels and so forth, so you can see the extrusion, and you can change around the extrusion level by working around with the arrows as well, just like this. Once you go around onto selection, this becomes a regular object, as you can see, and you can go ahead and resize it out, place it wherever you want, just like with any regular object. So that is how you can work around with the extrude effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.